Meet Bob. He is an active older adult who enjoys dining out and spending time with his friends and family. These days, Bob is sheltering in place and is missing his loved ones and social life. He knows that there are new tools and technology that could help him to keep up with the things and people he enjoys while keeping him safe. The trouble is, all this new technology can be confusing. It would be great to have someone to show him how to use it. He knows that with these new tools, he could see his grandkids, order groceries, connect with his book club, or even play card games and watch sports with friends across the country and across the ocean. Introducing GetSetUp, a live online learning and community platform center built exclusively for older adults. There are GetSetUp classes on how to use your smartphone, tablet, and online software tools such as Zoom. It has over 150 other classes topics to choose from, like healthy cooking, how to create a LinkedIn profile to get a job or volunteer, or ordering prescriptions online. Best of all, GetSetUp classes are not just videos. They are live, online classes taught by other older adults who are retired educators. You know, people who relate to Bob and understand where he's coming from. This means Bob can ask any question when he doesn't understand something, right in the middle of the class, and engage with others and GetSetUp guides. These days, thanks to GetSetUp, Bob is much happier, but can't wait for things to get back to normal. Until then, he is now discussing news with his friends on apps, paying bills, and ordering prescriptions online, starting a blog, and seeing his family on Zoom almost daily. So join Bob and others and try GetSetUp. Come take one of our hundreds of classes today. GetSetUp. Learn something new. Stay engaged. Make friends.